Hello and welcome to AircraftPost's Spotlight feature, in which we will be highlighting a feature or tool available to you on AircraftPost's website. We hope this will enable you to use the service to its full capacity. Today we're going to look at inventory levels in the last 2 years. We're sure you're already aware that the period since 2020 has been unprecedented in terms of demand, leading to extremely low inventory levels across nearly all markets. As we near the close of 2022, is the market beginning to shift? Let's take a look. We'll start by looking at all the aircraft added to market in 2021, arranged by model and moving through time from January to December as you move from the front to the back of the chart. As you can see, there's just too much data to be able to see clear trends, so let's simplify this a bit. We'll look at the same data, except this time we're grouping together all the aircraft in the same cabin size class. There's still quite a bit of data to see, but it's clear as you move from the front to the rear of the chart, there's no significant increase or decrease in inventory coming to market as we go through the year. It's impossible to make definitive conclusions, but one possible explanation for the lack of direction in the market is that many owners chose to keep their existing aircraft rather than sell, as they might have been planning to prior to the pandemic. Thus, few aircraft entered the market despite the ever-increasing prices. Now we'll move to 2022. For this year, the analysis only extends through October, the last month for which complete data was available at the time this video was recorded. Once again, we'll look at all the aircraft coming to market in all our tracked models. Again, there's too much data to make trends emerge, but one thing that does jump out is the large quantity of aircraft being added, especially in some of the Gulfstream and Hawker models. When the aircraft in the same cabin class size are grouped together, it is immediately apparent that for most cabin sizes, quite a few more aircraft entered the market late in the year as compared to the early months of 2022. Looking at it with a line graph allows us to use trend lines to see the overall path of the markets over the year. While all size classes saw an increase, the most significant change was in the midsize and large cabin segment. To further illustrate the point, in the midsize group, two of the more active markets are the Hawker 800 XP and the Lear 60, and both show a very similar upward trend. Likewise, though there were a few months with inventory spikes, the G4 SP, Challenger 604, and Falcon 900 Easy reflect the same pattern. What can we conclude from this? It's pretty clear that inventory is beginning to increase, especially in the midsize and large cabin markets, although even within those size classes, not all models are seeing the same rate of increase. Is this a sign of change in the markets, or simply the normal end-of-year surge in transactions? We will continue to watch as we enter the first quarter of 2023. That's our analysis of inventory. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Aircraft Post on our YouTube channel, and follow us on LinkedIn. You can always email questions, comments, and suggestions to intell@aircraftpost.com. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.